Hey guys, so welcome back to the Delpris family, to all my beauty babes out there. So I literally just got these from Amazon today, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of it. So this is actually a makeup bag holder, and it's really amazing because it can be worn as a tote, it can be worn as a satchel, it can be worn as a fanny pack, and it can literally just sit on your desk. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what you'd use to either carry it as a fanny pack for all of the makeup artists out there. This is really great for you guys. Just gonna put it on there. Now the link for this is definitely gonna be down below, and you could go ahead and click on that link and order yours today on Amazon. They do have 3 colors: marble, black, and this pink. I decided to go with the pink only because I couldn't wait until April for the back order of the black, where I know it would not get dirty easily. But this is a nice material because it seems like something that you can wipe off, so long as you're consistent with the wiping. And what it came with is 2 dividers. That way you can separate your brushes. Sorry guys, I think I put it in awkwardly just now. Just trying to fix that. Alright, so this is basically it with the dividers. I don't know if you can really see that, but this is with the dividers. And you just close it up like this. Let's try and see if we can give it some shape. And this is basically it. So I'm just going to go off camera really quickly and put all of my brushes in there. I do apologize in advance. My brushes are not yet washed, but I just wanted to show you guys how it would look. I will be washing them today, but it does take a little time for me to wash them. I really wanted to get this video done. So give me like 5 minutes and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back, and as you can see, I have all of my brushes right here. And I'm just going to show you guys really quickly. And what you want to do is you want to put the brushes up so you could see them, so you know what you're working with, versus putting them downwards. And basically, I put all of my big brushes here, my brushes that I use for my eyes. And then right here, I just put the brushes that are like this in this middle part, along with eyeliner, the eye primer that I use, and the eye glue for the lashes. So that's basically what it is. I'm not sure if they have bigger ones for all you beauty babes out there who have a lot more brushes than me. I'm a starter, so these are as much brushes as I have right now, and I do not mind it. I am definitely working with what I have. So definitely go ahead, click the link down below so you could go ahead and get your own makeup organizer bag that can be used in 4 different ways, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment down below.